because it's a lot of hands-on kind of stuff. I'm wanting to meet a lot of different people and try and get like apprenticeship or get some knowledge on some of the companies I look forward to working at.
The type of jobs that are available out there and how much a person can make doing those jobs, it'd be nice to bring that back to the classroom.
I've always kind of wanted to drive semi. It's looked fun to me. My grandpa did it for his career. They all looked really interesting. There's a few of them that I was kind of surprised about how much they actually get paid to do it and how easy it actually is. And I really wouldn't mind doing the heavy semi lift.
But I really like the rigging part of it. It just seemed like it played an important part in everything. I mean, they all did, but just the complexity of it, how such small things can carry such heavy weights and how you can fit certain things into certain areas and how much it can affect every job out there. And it really is a job that anybody could do.
It just made me want to do what I want to do more. Like, I want to be like a machine operator for construction, so it definitely made it better.